What?
Can you tell them what, so they can see your face instead of my face? What do we got going on right now?
Tom's doing all the work.
No, I get credit for something.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. What do we got going on?
We had to make the tighter radius on here because the kit that when it was made, the radius was literally, we had about 3 or 4 inches here, and then right here between the frame rail and stuff, we just had to take some. We had to take some spacing out forward, backward, and in and out for it to fit. We wanted a nice tight radius because the bumper, if you show them the bumper, the carbon fiber lip and the bottom of the bumper hit. So it kind of like, we needed to bring it right to the frame rail to get a nice tight. Because it's 3-inch piping, we had nowhere to go. We didn't want to cut, here, show them the bumper. We didn't want to cut the back of the bumper anymore than we already did because it literally, we took out, we cut the $500 lip and the cap of bumper there, you know, we didn't want to, it's hitting right here. You don't want to take that out because it kind of looks, if you look at the front of the bumper, that's the whole aesthetic of the, that's the point of the lip, just for how it looks, you know.
Sure.
We're almost there though.
Nice.
Got the moldings on, cleaned up, getting the windows glued in tomorrow, and the carbon fiber roof is glued on tomorrow. That's not on yet, obviously.
Sweet. Get it out of here.
It's getting there. Get this junk out of here, we can bring my junk in, hopefully.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? He literally takes my gun over to the garbage can. Whoop! There you go.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I can do it. Oh, I
The
didn't.
other clamps are by your foot.
I didn't even put one on there.
The other clamps are by your foot.
Yeah, I'm just gonna touch it like that because it's in there. If we have to move it. Get a cameraman and a second set of hands around here, buddy. See those? Ooh, look at these sweet ass bolts right there, boy. How
far were we off before? Remember the bumper was like, before the bumper was like down here.
Before we did it, dude, it was way over here. Remember?
Yeah.
Now I think it's just bumper flex is what's there. They literally the quarter inch like he. Rocky. I think it's good. I think I might be right at it, but when I let go, if we put clamps there. It's
all right, guys, we got the intercooler all welded up, nice, fits perfect. There's plenty of space between the bumper and charge pipe, thanks to our good friend Tom. A couple more things we got to do. We got to get the glass glued in and stuff like that, and this car should be good to go. So a little slow this week, but definitely tune in. We got some parts on the way for Phil's CRX. Trying to get that going too, but you know, it is still winter, January, but we're chucking out right along.